There's a lot of different boat tours you can do, so just do some research. I'm gonna put down in the description below of the tour that we did. A 2-hour boat tour, so just going down the river and just having a good time with your friends. So we're on the river in Sevilla. We actually have to bring our own drinks and food. So just book the time that you want. You can do for an hour, 2 hours, or whatever you want.
And you also have the option for catering service on board. Just look at a menu on the website.
Sit down real quick.
Sigan cantando.
Okay, ya está.